Today we are going to react to Karunesh Talwar's comedy routine, which is Parents. It has around 5.4 million views and it was uploaded around 3 years ago. So I feel Karunesh Talwar is really fantastic as a comedy routine person. He has so great contents that you really can connect to it as a common man. You can just apply it in a day-to-day life and you can just know that this is what we feel, this is what we are able to go through in our life. Before starting the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon, so you never miss any updates from me. Also, links of Instagram and Twitter are given in the description below if you want to connect with me or give me any suggestions or feedback. I would love to hear it from you guys. And without further ado, let's start. Nice intro, yeah. Nice, very nice intro.
You know, I'm 24 years old. I live with my parents, and they're nice people, which is a gift in life.
So he's 27
if you
now.
have good parents, that's a big deal because कोई लोगों के माँ बाप येड़े होते हैं, पागल होते हैं यार. बाप काम से आया, माँ को चप्पल मार दी, दाल गरम क्यों नहीं है, उल्टा. मेरे यहाँ पे ऐसा सीन नहीं है. मेरे माँ बाप घटिया नहीं है, अजीब है. Like when I was younger, every time I'd go up to my father, I'd ask him permission to do something. I'd always be like, Dad, please, जाने दो ना. मेरे सारे दोस्त जा रहे हैं. तेरे दोस्त अगर बिल्डिंग से कूदेंगे तो तू भी कूदेगा क्या?
Yes. Yes, I have been there. Yes.
प्लान तो गो कार्टिंग का था. सुसाइड के बारे में सोचा नहीं था हमने. मेरे दोस्त ना ही विदर्भ के किसान है, ना ही आईआईटी के स्टूडेंट जो आत्महत्या कर लेंगे.
Oh God.
मेरे दोस्त का मुझे फोन नहीं आया कि सुन, ट्यूशन के बाद मैं और बबलू मौत के घाट उतरने जा रहे हैं, चलेगा क्या? And if my friends jump off a building, I won't jump. I'll make new friends who are okay with hanging out at sea level. Basement, ground floor, you know, low shit, basically shit without altitude. तो मना कर दो ना, शायरी क्यों कर रहे हो? तेरे दोस्त अगर बिल्डिंग से कूदेंगे तो तू भी कूदेगा क्या? नहीं डैड, नहीं नहीं. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप वही करो जो आपके दोस्तों ने किया है. आपके भी दो दोस्त हैं जिन्होंने पिछले साल 1 करोड़ रुपए कमाए थे. उसका क्या? उसका क्या?
I had to apply this.
I don't talk like that to my father. चप्पल मारेंगे नहीं तो मुंह पे. एक तो खिला खिला के इतना बड़ा भैंसा बना है तेरे को. निकल. I don't think my dad talks like that either, but you know, we'll work with it. When I was younger, every time I'd be sitting at the dinner table and I saw something I didn't want to eat, I would always say, "Chhi bhindi, main nahi khane wala." My dad would be like,
Happens, yeah.
पता है कितने लोगों को दुनिया में खाना नहीं मिलता.
Oh God.
हम लोग हाँ पता है तुम्हें कुछ भी खा लूं. काफी लोगों को कपड़े नहीं मिलते, आप ब्रा पहन के घूमो ना फिर. नहीं, आप ब्रा पहन लो, मैं भिंडी खा लूंगा, ठीक है? Meet me halfway on this. I'll have my people call your people. We can arrive at a negotiation. How about that, father? And what I don't understand more than my parents are their parents. Old people have some bizarre ideas in this country. They all want to see their grandchildren's faces before they die. What an absurd request. Like if someone's dad is dying and he's like, beta bachcha kar le. He'll just be like, yaar main अनाथ होने वाला हूँ. मेरा इस वक्त खड़ा नहीं होगा, ठीक है? There's a time and place for everything. How do you expect me to be aroused right now? It's just like, बेटा मैं मर रहा हूँ लेकिन तू शिमला हो ले, रोमांटिक गाने सुन ले बेटा, मूड शेर में लौंडा है, तू सावण में लग गई दिल मेरा. लाइक मर रहे हो, तमीज नहीं आई आप लोग तक.
Wow. Yeah, there are some things which we can relate to when while talking to that, because like parents do see this thing that if your friend is doing like that, even you have to do it. Why? And like it doesn't apply to everything. Okay, it is like few things are okay, few things are not. I can apply my own things while doing that. And mostly our request is to go play, that's it. And as a guy it's go play, as a girl it might be like sitting somewhere with hanging out and chilling or something like that. But big deal. This was it. This was Karunesh Talwar. I am going to look more of his comedy routines because he was really nice. I have just seen his one. I'm not able to like remember which one it was, but this was fantastic. As I said, you always relate to his content in the real life. You will be able to like make yourself place in that routine, in that content which he tries to tell you, and then you can just like apply it in the day-to-day life. But everything is just in the imagination of a guy, and he does it absolutely fantastic. He's totally superb. He's absolutely superb, and is many things are like so much relatable that sitting on the table, parents are like slowly and with deep voice they try to like show them that they are the pillar of the house and they are the decision makers of the house, and you need to just understand something and just say yes to them without like questioning anything. So yes, that's absolutely understandable. That's how the things work. That's how the way every home works at every level. That's super. Yeah, and about that thing that I am going to die. I need to see my grandchildren. Like that is absolutely on point. You cannot do that. Even if you do that, it's going to take 9 months to make the babies come out. How can you even just tell the people that while you're dying you want to see your grandchildren? That's absolutely absurd. That's absolutely absurd, and this is the particular way something should be said, and it is totally on point, I feel. And this was Karunesh Talwar's stand-up routine comedy of particular topic, parents. And I hope you like this video. Do click on the like, so I know that you really like this video, and do comment and do share this video so that people can know about it and they can subscribe to my channel. And by that I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, to the bell icon, so you never miss any updates from me. Also links to the Instagram and Twitter are given in the description below. If you want to connect with me, give me any feedbacks or suggestions, I would love to hear it from you guys. And until the next video, until the next reaction, the next review, stay connected.